Sustainable cooking, 5 tips that will change your life forever. Are you ready to revolutionize your kitchen and help save the planet one delicious meal at a time? Let's dive into sustainable cooking. Sustainable cooking is more than just a trend. It's a conscious approach to food preparation that minimizes environmental impact. It involves making informed choices about the food we buy, how we cook it, and what we do with leftovers. It's about creating a healthier planet for future generations. By adopting sustainable practices, we can reduce waste, conserve resources, and support ethical food systems. Eating seasonally is a cornerstone of sustainable cooking. It means choosing fruits and vegetables that are naturally in season in your local area. Seasonal produce is fresher, tastier, and more nutritious. Plus, it reduces the carbon footprint associated with transporting food from far-off places. Check your local farmer's market for the freshest seasonal options. You'll be amazed by the variety and flavors you discover. Food waste is a massive problem, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions and wasting valuable resources. Reducing food waste is crucial for sustainable cooking. Plan your meals carefully to avoid buying more than you need. Store food properly to extend its shelf life. Get creative with leftovers. Turn them into new dishes or freeze them for later use. The oceans are under immense pressure from overfishing and destructive fishing practices. Choosing sustainable seafood is essential for protecting marine ecosystems. Look for seafood that is certified by organizations like the Marine Stewardship Council, MSC. These certifications ensure that the seafood comes from well-managed fisheries. Consider incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet. Reducing your reliance on seafood can significantly reduce your environmental impact. How you cook your food can also impact its sustainability. Cooking with energy efficiency can save you money and reduce your carbon footprint. Use the right size pot or pan for the amount of food you're cooking. This helps to heat the food more efficiently. Consider using appliances like slow cookers or pressure cookers, which use less energy than conventional ovens. Composting is a fantastic way to reduce food waste and create nutrient-rich soil for your garden. It's a simple yet powerful, sustainable practice. You can compost fruit and vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and eggshells. Avoid composting meat, dairy, and oily foods. If you don't have a garden, consider using a countertop composter or finding a local composting program. Sustainable cooking has a ripple effect, positively impacting the environment, your health, and your community. It's a win-win for everyone. By making conscious choices about the food we eat and how we prepare it, we can create a more sustainable and equitable food system. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every small change you make in your kitchen can make a big difference. Sustainable cooking is just one piece of the puzzle. It's part of a larger movement towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Consider other ways you can reduce your environmental impact, such as reducing your consumption of single-use plastics and supporting local businesses. Together, we can create a more sustainable and resilient world. Every action counts. Ready to transform your kitchen and embrace sustainable cooking? Start with 1 or 2 of these tips and gradually incorporate more into your routine. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values. Join the movement towards a more sustainable and delicious future. Your kitchen can be a powerful force for good. Ready to take the next step? Subscribe to our channel for more sustainable cooking tips and recipes. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the word about sustainable cooking. Let's create a more sustainable world, one meal at a time. Leave a comment below sharing your favorite sustainable cooking tip or a recipe you love.